Demanda 1. Complete, she ___ speak 3 languages. A. Cans. B. Can. C. Canning. D. Is can. The correct answer is B. Can never adds s, even with he, she /it. La resposta corretta è la B. Domanda 2. Choose the correct negative. He ___ swim. A. Cannot / can't. B. Not can. C. Don't can. D. Doesn't can. The correct answer is A. The negative of can is cannot or can't. La resposta corretta è la A. Domanda 3. Choose the correct question. ___ you help me, please? A. Do. B. Can see. R. D. Is. The correct answer is B. To ask about ability or make a request, we use can plus subject plus verb. La resposta corretta è la B. Domanda 4. Choose the correct sentence. A. She can to drive. B. She can drives. C. She can drive. D. She cans drive. The correct answer is C. After can we use the base form of the verb, without to and without s. La resposta corretta è la C. Domanda 5. Which sentence expresses ability? A. I can play the piano. B. I must play the piano. C. I should play the piano. D. I have to play the piano. The correct answer is A. Can expresses ability, being able to do something. La resposta corretta è la A. Domanda 6. Choose the correct short answer. Can you swim? Yes, I ___ dot. A. Do. B. Am. C. Can. D. Can do. The correct answer is C. Short answers with can use can, or can't, not do / am. La resposta corretta è la C. Domanda 7. Choose the correct sentence for a polite request. A. Can you pass me the salt, please? B. Can pass you me the salt, please? C. You can pass me the salt, please? D. Pass can you me the salt, please? The correct answer is A. Can plus subject plus verb is used to make polite requests. La resposta corretta è la A. Domanda 8. Choose the correct negative. They ___ come to the party tonight. A. Can't. B. Can't. C. Not can. D. Cannot to. The correct answer is A. The contraction of cannot is can't. La resposta corretta è la A. Domanda 9. Complete, ___ I open the window? Asking for permission. A. Do. B. Can see. Am. D. Have. The correct answer is B. Can is commonly used to ask for permission. La resposta corretta è la B. Domanda 10. Choose the correct sentence. A. My grandfather can't uses the computer. B. My grandfather can't use the computer. C. My grandfather doesn't can use the computer. D. My grandfather not can use the computer. The correct answer is B. After can't we use the base form of the verb. La resposta corretta è la B.